Dropservicing, an innovative business model that's making waves in the digital age. Imagine leveraging other people's skills and services, marking up the price and pocketing the difference. It's a masterful strategy, and here's how it works. First, identify a high-demand service. Could be graphic design, social media management, or even sports training. Next, find professionals who offer these services at a lower cost. Then, create your own online platform where you offer these services at a higher price. Once a customer places an order, you simply forward the work to your service provider. They do the work, you reap the profits. Now, to master drop servicing, it's not just about finding any service, it's about finding the right service, and not just any professional, but reliable professionals. Master drop servicing, the complete step-by-step course is designed to guide you through this process, empowering you to skyrocket your income. So embark on this journey, unleash your entrepreneurial spirit, turn the digital age to your advantage with Master Drop Servicing. Because in the world of business, it's not just about working harder, it's about working smarter.